Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new progress video. This is the second part about improving my footworks. I will still make like 1 or 2 parts about this series about improving my footworks, because in 1 week I can't improve my overall footwork as I said in the previous video. So last week I focused more on the foundations on the other side. This week instead I took all the footworks that I have in my set and I'm practicing them on both ways. So basically I'm practicing like small footwork sets, and when I finish them, I do them on the other side, making them a loop or kind of like a big pattern. For the moment I have 6 small footwork sets. And why am I practicing these 6 sets on both sides? Just to improve my control on the footworks on both ways. Because when I freestyle, I think if I do footworks on both ways, I have more options and also more control.
Watch!
So this week went pretty good because I learned all my sets on the other side, except for one set, the last one. The last one I didn't even practice it on the other side because my left leg is still hurting for the other week that I practice too much footwork on the other side, and some of the steps that I do in the last set hurt my leg. So for this week I didn't practice this last set in the other side, but I will try to do it. But all the other 5 sets, I think I can do them pretty good also on the other side. So if in the first 2 weeks I practice footworks that I already knew, so basics and my sets, my footworks, the third part will be about learning new footworks that I can't do. So the goal for the next week will be to make my vocabulary bigger. That's it for this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. And if you are interested, check out my merch, link in the description. See you this Friday with a new tutorial and see you the next week with the new progress video. Yo ninjas!